Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. There is the clearest indication yet that the newly relayed track at the National Stadium will only be recertified at level 2, moving down one level from the previous track. Keon Rainier continues to examine all aspects of the work being done on the track to include the actual cost.
With the jitters now out of the way in terms of the new stadium track being completed ahead of the March 24 deadline by track manufacturers Rakuten, the obvious question is whether it will remain at the Level 1 certification on the World Athletics system. TVJ Sports put that question to Grand Slam Tracks venue director Don Lockerbie in a one-on-one interview on Tuesday.
So that's a really tricky question because I didn't say it would be certified for 5 years. I said it would be warranted for 5 years. In other words, the surfacing should be able to maintain its strength, its speed, its color, and provide all the racers with a tremendous bounce. That's a critical part of what we wanted to provide. We worked with World Athletics on the certification of the track. Things have changed. And right now, for this facility to become certification for Class 1 certification in the future, they're going to have to remove the bike track. They're going to have to add more in the way of long jump runways and things of that nature.
But what does that mean for the times achieved on this track?
And so right now, what we would say is that the lines are certified. In other words, if a record takes place here, we know that the engineering's been done and there will be a book of engineering submitted to World Athletics, and that they will then know that the track has met all of their standards for lane lines and the accuracy of the track. So that will be at the highest certification. Any record here will stand.
Lockerbie also confirmed that Grand Slam Track suggested that the track be relayed after having an independent assessment done on the 4-year-old track previously laid by BSW Reggae Paul in 2021.
We came down with a certified lab from Georgia in the States, who came down and basically was the one who helped us understand what the situation was. And the situation wasn't very good. In fact, it didn't pass any current IAAF or World Athletics surfacing standards. Any other report that might say it was, I would have to say, well, we just didn't agree. And we didn't agree so much that we would pull out of Jamaica if we had to run on that blue track.
However, another independent assessment ordered by BSW Reggae Paul by a company out of Thailand showed the opposite finding, that the track still met Level 1 certification up to July 2026. Sports Minister Olivia Grange had indicated that the cost to do the track was US $350,000, but Lockerbie revealed that Grand Slam Track also paid more than that amount towards the work.
I can confirm that we are responsible for the majority of the bill, and we're glad to do it. It's part of our long-term relationship and partnership with Jamaica, the sport of track and field and athletics in Jamaica, and this particular stadium. And, you know, with what we hear might be the future plans of it, this could very well be the finest track and field facility in the hemisphere.
According to TVJ Sports sources who requested anonymity, the cost to relay the track is well over $800,000. In the meantime, Lockerbie and IPL General Manager Major Desmond Brown confirmed that Boys and Girls Championships will be the first meet on the track, not the Velocity Fest meet, which is set for March 22, as was announced by Bruce James on Monday. Keon Rainier reporting for TVJ Sports.